Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Loki in Age of Mythology. Loki's early game is all about setting up a strong economy while applying pressure. You'll want to train a few Herseer right away to convert enemy myth units, which is a unique advantage. Use your initial Ulfsark to scout efficiently, finding good resource spots and your opponent's base. Aim for a fast classical age advancement to unlock your powerful myth units and god powers. Once you reach the classical age, Loki truly shines. You can summon powerful myth units such as the Troll, excellent for siege, and the Valkyrie, which heals your units. Don't forget to use the Great Hunt god power to dramatically increase your food income, supporting your growing army. Continue to harass your opponent's economy with your fast Herseer and Ulfsarks, keeping them on the defensive. Moving into the heroic age, Loki gains even more strategic options. You'll unlock more potent god powers that can turn the tide of battle. A popular choice is Bragi, granting the Flaming Weapons god power, which significantly boosts your army's attack. Train Jarls and raiding cavalry to form a formidable land army. The Forest Fire god power is excellent for damaging enemy buildings and controlling key areas. In the Mythic Age, Loki's full power is unleashed. You gain access to the most impactful god powers and devastating myth units. Tyr is a strong choice, offering the Fimbulwinter god power, which freezes enemy units and buildings. Deploy fire giants and mountain giants to crush enemy defenses. Concentrate your efforts on destroying enemy town centers and any wonders they might be building to secure your ultimate victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.